Forget Tableau, Power BI, Looker. Connect your data. The AI builds your dashboard in seconds. No setup, no analysts, just insights. I'll show you how easy it is to connect your data. My data is in Postgres, so I search for the Postgres connector. Click it. Add my credentials. That's it. I click Connect, and from this moment, I'm connected to my data. As you can see, I have many data sources connected to Analytics Model. It's really that easy. Now, click on the dashboard icon in the right menu. I can see all my PostgreSQL tables in the Connections section. As you can see, I have more than 380 tables. That's a lot. Describe the dashboard you want and click Generate Dashboard. It will take a few seconds to a few minutes to generate a complete dashboard and insights across all your tables. When it's ready, you can view your dashboard, edit it, and basically do whatever you want with it. You have a full AI-generated dashboard built after scanning all your tables, understanding the connections between them, identifying what's worth exploring, explaining the insights, and automatically generating visualizations for you.